What is genuine assent in contract law? Imagine signing a contract and later realizing you were pressured or misled into agreeing. That's why understanding genuine assent is so important in contract law. It's the idea that everyone involved truly agrees to the terms freely and knowingly. When a contract is made, all parties must have a clear understanding of what they are agreeing to and do so without feeling forced or tricked. This mutual agreement is often called a meeting of the minds. It means both sides understand and accept the same terms, conditions, and subject matter. In business, genuine assent keeps contracts fair and enforceable. If someone was coerced or tricked, the contract might be invalid. For example, if a person is threatened into signing a deal, their agreement isn't genuine. That contract could be canceled or declared void. The same is true if one person exercises too much influence over the other, making the decision unfair. This is called undue influence. If a weaker party is manipulated or controlled, the contract might be canceled if they prove it affected their decision. Misrepresentation is another factor that can ruin genuine assent. If one person lies or hides important facts that influence the other's decision, the agreement might not be valid. For instance, if a seller falsely claims a product is new when it is used, the buyer might have been misled. If the false statement was important enough to affect the decision, the buyer can often cancel the contract. Mistakes also impact genuine assent. If both parties or one party makes a big mistake about something essential, like the price or the main subject of the deal, the contract might be void. For example, if both think they are agreeing on a $100 item but it's actually a $1,000 item, that mistake can be grounds to undo the deal. However, mistakes about judgments or opinions usually don't affect whether assent is genuine. Ensuring genuine assent is key for businesses to avoid legal issues. It means clearly explaining the terms and giving everyone a fair chance to review and ask questions. For example, in a business sale, both sides should understand the price, the product details, and the payment schedule. This helps make sure everyone agrees voluntarily and that the contract will hold up in court. When all parties truly understand and agree without pressure or deception, the contract is more likely to be valid and enforceable.